Greetings YouTubers, welcome to part 2 of my NAF review of the Panasonic Lumix DMC LC1 digital camera. Now if you've seen the first review of this and haven't stopped laughing yet, I would like to correct some of the things that I had got wrong from that review. First of all, one of the main things that I got wrong was to say that the camera only takes 2 GB memory cards. All right, in fact, that's not correct, obviously. What I meant to say was that they only take up to 2 GB memory cards and not above. So hope that's cleared that up for you. Another thing which was a glaring omission was that I was rambling on about how fantastic the lens was. I forgot to mention that it is actually a 28-90 lens, in 28 to 90 millimeter lens in 35mm terms. It's quite clearly marked on there. And also it has a macro mode on it as well. There's a little dial there you can put it onto. I'm not sure if you can see that. You can actually put it onto macro mode, which is quite good. Another thing that I think I'd mentioned was that there's an A setting on the lens. Now I'm not sure how I explain this, but I'll go through it again. If you use the A setting on the lens with the A setting on the shutter speed dial, then that will equal program mode, and obviously the camera's going to choose what speeds and what aperture the photograph is taken at. If you just leave the A on the shutter dial but choose your aperture setting yourself on the lens, obviously the camera is going to choose the shutter speed, so that becomes aperture priority mode. So I hope I cleared that up. And also one of the things which I forgot to mention was that on the shutter speed dial on the top of the camera, underneath there is a little switch there which switches from single mode to continuous mode to playback mode, and that's one of the things I didn't mention as well. I think that's probably most of the omissions out the way. If there's anything else which you can think of, please let me know. But other than that, for the main review, have a look. If you like it, give me a like. If you've got any questions, then I'd only be happy to answer them. Okay, thank you. I'm going to go around the other side very professionally and switch this camera off. Thank you.